first thing you need to do is go to your Visual Studio Code, go to the terminal, and start a new terminal session. Okay, first thing we need to do is the AZ login. To log into our subscription, you should get a prompt, you should get a pop-up, sorry, on your screen, and just go ahead and log in. Next, we need to create our resource group once that's completed. So let's go ahead and do that. West Europe. And as you can see, we've got AZ group create, our name, and then our location. Let's go ahead and memorize that. Next, we need to go ahead and create a variable for our Redis name. So let's put that there. We've got Redis name, our variable, and our variable has been assigned AZ204 Redis plus a set of random characters. Okay. And next, all I would advise at this point is just copy the first line, which is AZ create, AZ Redis create command. And the reason why I specify that is because you need to rename the West Europe, and if you copy all of the code, I need to specify, sorry, West Europe, and if you copied all of the code, it would have gone past this stage and you wouldn't have been able to edit it. Now, a way around that is if you use your notepad to make those changes in advance, you can copy everything in one go. So let's enter that. And let's just have a look at it. So we've got AZ Redis create, we specified our location, we've got our resource group, we've specified the Redis name variable, we've given it a SKU of basic, and we specified the VM family size of C0. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause this until it completes. Okay, now that has completed, we need to go to the Azure portal. And we need to go have a look at our resource group Redis RG. And I've already got one in here from a previous, so let's go right here. And let's see our access keys. So now we need to find our access keys, so we can click right here in the overview, or you could actually go directly into the settings and go to the access key. We need to get the primary connection string. We need to put that into a notepad. So I put that here in my notepad. Let's minimize that. Let's go to our Visual Studio Code. And now what we need to do is create a new console. And we are going to create a new console in a folder called Redis Cache. So let's go ahead and run that. Now what we need to do is we need to open our session. So what we would do is open this particular folder. So what I'm going to do is, instead of going File, Open, I'm just going to go into that directory, so Redis Cache, and then I'm going to put the code -R, which will open it in the same window, and then as you can see, we are in the Redis Cache folder. Next, we need to add the dependency. So we need to add the StackExchange.Redis dependency. So as you can see, we've got .NET add package. We're going to enter that. And now we need to go to our program class, and we need to add those dependencies in step 4. So let's go ahead and add that there. Next, we need to have our connection string added to the program class. So right here, let's enter that. And as you can see, connection string to your Redis cache. So we're going to put our connection string there. Okay, let's go to my notepad. Copy that. And paste it. Okay, so that's done. Next, you need to go ahead and replace the main method with the code that's provided in your skill pipe. And as you can see, this is our main method. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it there. Now, as you can see at the bottom, we need to select from that curly brace all the way to the top, which is the static async task main method. And we're just going to hit it twice. There we go. All right, so we can go ahead and save this. And now what we need to do is go back to our terminal, which we're here, and just go .NET build. Okay, so there's no error messages, and then we can go .NET run. And as you can see right there, we have got our response. So we've got a ping, we've got a set, and a get. All right, so this is our response we're getting from these codes right here that we have specified.